All right, we're gonna talk about the double under today. Now, the double under, of course, is where you jump once and the rope passes underneath you twice. Obviously, the first prerequisite is to have a nice, good single under. Our single under, of course, remember, we want our elbows in by our side. We're moving primarily from the wrist. And then when we jump, we wanna make sure it's a nice light jump on the balls of the feet. So, of course, a single under, getting ourselves set. So one jump, one revolution. Once that's nice and clean, what you wanna work on is you wanna work on wrist speed, you wanna work on timing. Now, wrist speed, what I really like, a great drill, is to actually take the jump rope, hold both handles in one hand. What I'm then going to do with both handles in one hand is I'm gonna spin this on a flat wheel next to me. So start it on up, and I'm gonna spin like this. Now, this would be a single under pace, right? You can hear it, just single, single. Once that feels good, I'm gonna start throwing it like a double under. So you can hear the increased velocity. Make sure, of course, to do this on both hands. So my left hand, same thing. Single, single, single. And then I can start throwing it faster. Still keeping the elbow in by the side. If you're doing this drill and you're coming into your legs like this, and the jump rope's in your legs, you're probably not spinning your wrist in the proper direction, okay? You wanna be able to spin it on that flat circle next to you. Once you've got that down, a great drill to work on without the rope is just to stand in place and do what we call a super jump or a bounding jump. So a normal single under will go nice and easy like this. What I wanna see is I wanna see a little more power. Feet right underneath me, just like that. That's gonna give me enough time for that rope to pass underneath me. You notice as well too, my feet stay right below me. A lot of times when people do their first double under, they'll kick their heels up behind them. No good. This is not a way to do consecutive double unders. Get that powerful jump just like that. Now, combining some of these elements together, I can take that single under that I've got and add that super jump in. So, getting myself set, regular single under, super jump, but still a single. When that feels good, I can start counting the rhythm as well too. I'll do a single and count 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I'm jumping the single, but I'm thinking about the timing for the double under. Now, what I can also do, going back to that drill with the rope in my hands, I'm gonna start spinning this thing. Flat wheel, just like before. I'm gonna start a single. Super jump, and then start throwing doubles. So now what I've got there, I've got the power and timing of the jump, I've got the correct wrist throw. But having the rope on the side, I'm able to do a lot of reps and not worry about hitting myself, getting frustrated, and having to start over. Once all that looks good, get yourself set in the center and focus on getting just one double under and stopping. Control the entry, control the exit. Once that feels good, 2 double unders. Controlling the stop. You just keep on adding up like that until you're doing as many double unders as you want.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it. Also be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. You can also check us out at Instagram, Facebook, and nerdfitness.com, links in the description below.